October marks the start of Q4, the biggest sales season in e-commerce. This is your chance to grab the surge in demand. That's why in this special video, I'll reveal the top 6 products you should add to your dropshipping store today. Each product is carefully vetted with Zik Analytics' latest tools to ensure that everything on today's list is a pure gem. So without further ado, let's dive in. So let's kick off with the first item on the top October products list, the waterproof thermal glove. When winter is coming, many customers worldwide are looking for the latest technology to keep themselves warm. And these gloves, which are fully waterproof and thermal for the cold weather, are the perfect fit. And the best part? Buyers can even use their phone without removing the glove. I was able to find a dropshipping store that sells this exact type of glove. And as you can see, the price is €29.99 euros, which is around $35.50 American dollars. Here's my secret to understand if this store is really making sales. I copy the store's URL and paste it into the store sales tracker of Zik Analytics. From here, I get a full x-ray of the store, something Shopify doesn't share. I can see the numbers behind it. And most importantly, I can see that this product sold 55 times in the past 30 days. Now, let's understand profitability. To do this, we source the product from AliExpress. Using the item finder, I quickly find the exact same product here. The cost is just $10.51 with free shipping. Now, let's talk about profit. The store sells it for $35.50. Shopify fees are $1.32, and the cost on AliExpress is $10.51. That leaves a profit of $23.67 per sale. With 55 sales in the past 30 days, that's about $1,301 in profit before ads and expenses. Key takeaway, this store made over $1,000 in profit from a single AliExpress sourced product. Amazing. So now let's turn our focus to something else. This product can be the centerpiece of a niche dropshipping store specializing in baby products. The winter baby hoodie. This product is perfect for the colder days of the year and keeps babies both cute and warm. I was able to find a one product store that sells only this winter baby hoodie. They're pricing it at $22.16. And when I copied the store's URL into the store sales tracker, I could see just how successful this product really is. 340 sales in the past 30 days. To source this product, I went to the item finder and quickly found a solid match. Here the product costs just $12.42 with free shipping. That means the store profits around $9 per sale. Multiply 9 by 340 sales in the past 30 days, and you get a total profit of $3,060. Key takeaway, a simple one-product baby niche store cleared over $3,000 in just a month with this hoodie. Okay, so what do you think about the first 2 products? Would you add them to your dropshipping store? Let us know in the comments. And quick favor, if you're finding value so far, a like and subscribe really helps us grow and keep making these videos. Now, throughout this video, I'm using Zik Analytics to do data-based product research. If you'd like to try it yourself, you can get started for just $1 for the first week. Okay, let's keep going with the winter fashion accessories theme and look at the winter orthopedic shoes. As you can see, these shoes are a great way to start the winter season feeling warm and cozy. I found a dropshipping store selling this exact product. They're pricing it at $57.63. And when I scanned the store with the store sales tracker, I discovered they sold 92 pairs in the last 30 days. Now, when I checked the sourcing price on AliExpress, I was shocked. Only $10.70 with free shipping. That's right, this store sells the same pair for more than 5 times the sourcing cost. So here is the breakdown. After Shopify fees, the store profits around $44 per sale. With 92 sales in the past 30 days, that's a total monthly profit of $4,048. This is why I love dropshipping fashion items from AliExpress. You can source them cheaply, and by positioning them as luxury products in your marketing, you can charge premium prices and pocket high margins. The next product just makes sense for any dog owner, the waterproof dog coat. This coat is designed so you can take your dog for walks even when it's raining, when it's nighttime, and come back with minimal wetness on the dog's fur, and it's a win-win for both the dog and the owner. And in general, pet products are relatively easy to market, especially if you create original content that shows the product in use with real pets. I found a dropshipping store selling this coat. Now they're pricing it at $52.95, and they offer multiple colors and sizes. An important detail to keep in mind when sourcing, since we'll want suppliers that also carry variations. When I scanned this store using the Zik store sales tracker, I saw that it sold 77 units in the past 30 days. For sourcing, the item finder led me to the same exact product. The AliExpress price is only $19.09 with high customer satisfaction ratings and variations in both color and size. A complete jackpot for dropshippers. Now let's talk about profitability. At $52.95 retail and $19.09 sourcing, the profit comes to about $32 per sale after Shopify fees. With 77 sales in the past 30 days, this store made roughly $2,464 in monthly profit from a single pet product. Okay, so the next product is a pure gem and fits perfectly with the colder times of the year. The Max Heat Silicone Barbecue and Cooking Gloves. As you can see, these gloves are perfect for safe cooking, and when temperatures drop, it's colder outside, home cooking becomes an even bigger part of people's lives. I was able to find a dropshipping store selling this exact glove for $28.55. When I scanned the store using the store sales tracker, I saw demand skyrocketing, 355 sales in the past 30 days. That high number shows this product has serious potential to become a best seller. Now, when it comes to sourcing, I clicked on the item finder and found several exact matches. Let's go with this one. Here, this coat is just $4.26 plus $1.99 shipping, since it's an AliExpress choice product priced under $10. Now, let's talk about profit. With a selling price of $28.55 and a sourcing cost of $6.25, the store is making about $23 of profit per sale. Multiply that by 355 sales in the past 30 days, you get $8,165 in profit after Shopify fees, but before ads and operating expenses. Okay, so for all of you who already have or want to create a fashion store or gadget store, the next product is perfect. The winter beanie with Bluetooth. As you can see, this beanie lets you listen to music or even talk on the phone while wearing it. It's a simple yet powerful gadget with a huge wow factor that's easy to market using short videos showcasing its unique features. I found this product being sold at a dropshipping store for $35.49, including shipping, and it even comes with a neck warmer. When I scanned this store with the Zik sales tracker, I saw 68 units sold in the past 30 days. For sourcing, I found a strong option on AliExpress that also includes the neck warmer. Here, the cost is $10.62 plus $16.60 for shipping. That means the profit per sale is around $7. With 68 sales in the past 30 days, this dropshipping store pulled in about $476 in monthly profit. The key takeaway, especially with fashion gadgets like this, organic marketing through social media can drive strong traffic and sales, making a great addition to a winter product lineup. Okay, so there you have it, the top 6 dropshipping products you can add to your store today to make October your best month yet. Get ready for 3 months filled with shoppers looking for gifts and products for the upcoming holidays. And remember, good product research should always be based on solid data, not guesswork, and every product in today's list is backed by real data. Thanks for watching this video, keep moving forward, and I will see you next time.